Easy Learning for Kids welcomes you all. Today we will play a guess game with cute puppets. Hello all, can you see some puppets here? Let's play the guess game with these puppets. So here comes, yay, what is this? This is penguin. I am penguin. Now, here comes, yes, turtle. Slow turtle. Now it's turn for the funny joker. Joker. Joker, laugh with me. Now it's turn for the big elephant. It has a big trunk and a short tail. Now here comes ducky. Duck. Quack duck. Now come cake. Cake, yummy cake. Candles on the cake. Cherries on the cake. Yummy cake. Here comes all kids' favorite. Yes, ball. I kick my ball. Here comes, yes, we drink her milk every day. This is cow. Now comes the big animal, dinosaur. Dinosaur. Now come the longest animal. Can you guess who? Yes, it's the giraffe. Hello, I am giraffe. Now comes the sweetest fruit. All kids like this. Apple. Apple. Red apple. Now apples किस पे लगती है? Yes, tree. Tree. Now comes the place where we lived. Yes, this is hutch. House. Now the come yellow fruit. What are these? Yes, bananas. Yellow bananas. Now comes penguin. Penguin. Now it's turn for turtle. I go slow like a turtle. I go slow, but I will be like the turtle. I hope you like this puppet game. Bye-bye. If you like our video, then like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.